welcome to another one of my videos. I'm really excited about this video because I'm sharing with you something else that I'm really passionate about, and that is zines. So zines got their name from the word magazine. It's a small publication similar to like a magazine, but it's done by independent artists or writers, or anyone really can make a zine. That's the beauty of them. And they can be about anything that you want. It could be maybe something political, it could be about a theme, it could be about something that you love, it could be an essay, poem, photojournalism. You can share your illustrations, you can share your artwork. They're on a number of different topics, from travel to personal essays, personal stories, nostalgia, really just basically anything you can make a zine about. And that's what I love about zines, and that's what attracted me to zines quite a few years ago when I even started making some of my own zines. Did a travel one on Japan, and I did a Happy Mail Day zine, and I did a nostalgic biscuit zine that has memories of it from my childhood and my favourite biscuits. So I probably will share them with you in an upcoming video, but they are available in my online store. So as you can see, I've got a massive zine haul here. I went on holidays in Melbourne recently, and I was really excited that the zine fair happened to be on that weekend that I was there, which was like, I was just so excited because zines to me is like stationery and document. It's just one of my loves and one of my passions. And I also love that I can support lots of Australian artists and writers. And zines are kind of like getting mail. It's always a surprise. You don't know what it's gonna. It could be just a random topic, it could be anything. I just love it that zines are like a surprise, and they're all individual, and they really, yeah, it's just a beautiful thing to own. And a lot of them are really rare, limited print runs, so that's why a lot of people enjoy it, because it's like a piece of artwork that you can have and keep. So I went to the Melbourne Zine Fair, the Festival of the Photocopier in Melbourne, and that was recently. So I went to that, and this is everything that I picked up. So yeah, I did go all out, but like I said, it's just one of my loves and passions, and I love supporting Australian artists and writers. So I wanted to take you through some of the cool things that I found at the Melbourne Zine Fair, and I just want to shout out to anyone who likes to make zines, or yeah, I just hope you enjoy this. And if you don't know too much about zines, maybe this could give you some ideas about what zines can be and different types of zines that are out there. And so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and feel free to leave any comments, and your subscribes are greatly appreciated. And if you'd like me to show you my own zines that I've created, then let me know, because I'll be happy to give you a little flip through of my zines too. So I'm going to start by giving you a quick little flip through of these zines that I purchased at the Melbourne Zine Fair, called Festival of the Photocopier. So I wanted to share this little collection here with you first. So these zines are actually from one of my favourite zine writers, and that is Vanessa Berry. To me, she is Australia zine royalty, and I really feel that a zine fair isn't a zine fair if you don't have something from Vanessa Berry. She is absolutely amazing. I just love reading lots of personal essays or personal stories, things that have a bit of nostalgia, history, even childhood nostalgia. And yeah, this has got a lot of Australiana nostalgia, which I absolutely love. So yeah, so this is one of her recent zines, and as soon as I saw it, I like squealed inside, because I just love anything Australiana themed, and it's got a cute little koala on it. And this is one of her series that she's been doing for quite a few years, disposable camera, and she's also got the I Am camera as well. So yeah, this is just a little zine. I haven't read it just yet, because I'm kind of giving you a quick show before I go and have a nice cup of tea and sit down and really like read through these. So I'm excited to find out what this one's about, and I'm assuming it's something to do with koalas. Oh my god, look at the little tea cozy that is beyond Aussie. That's like a score if you find that at a op shop. So that's really cute, so I'm looking forward to reading that. And then she's got her I Am camera one, which is another recent one. I think it was released last year, but I only got a hold of it at the Zine Fair, but I'm looking forward to reading this one. And I love how she does a lot of she covers a lot of history about Australian buildings and different places, and also like abandoned buildings. So anything about nature and gardening I quite am attracted to. And this is one of her older zines, but I was really happy to see that she reprinted some for the fair. And this is a whole zine about ferns. Oh wow, look at these retro photos. Look at that bath. So yeah, I quite enjoy picking up lots of business cards because they've also got a lot of their artwork on here as well. And these are great for like slipping into your snail mail and putting into your planners and journals as well. I love anything nostalgic, and this is called Warrimoo. I know everyone knows it from Edward Scissorhands, but always loved the Little Women movie that she was in, and How to Make an American Quilt. That just made me, oh my god, I used to just cry so much in that film. Quick eat recipe cards. It's got some food illustrations, look like beautiful watercolors with like a recipe on the back. It's a great way to document some of your favorite meals. I was so excited when I saw this one because I love anything on Japan. The girl I bought this from, she was just really sweet, and she told me this was about her trip to Japan. I love reading other people's travel stories, especially when it's a country that you absolutely love. Oh my god, this reminds me of Disneyland. This is not, I don't think it's a Disneyland, but it's a cat bus, but this reminds me of Disneyland. They had like little Mickey heads on the little holders on the trains. So nice. I can't wait to read this. Oh, Totoro! Oh, that must be the bamboo forests. I saw that. That was amazing. Kyoto. Oh, this is going to be one of my favourite treasured ones. Oh, they always have them on the ground in Japan. I love how zines can be so versatile. There's no rules. Anything goes when you're making a zine. I always have an interest in different ways that people can interact with print media, and different ways you can fold it, you can design it. It just kind of makes that experience unique. So it's like an A4 sheet of paper, but she's just folded it and printed it just a different way, and it just makes it just a little bit extra special. And when I'm making my own zines, I always try and think of different ways that a person can look or interact with the publication. It kind of adds an extra experience to it. And this is a zine about food adventures, so food memories from my Chinese, Vietnamese childhood. So yes, nostalgia, food, kawaii, cuteness, what more could you want? Yeah, this is so cute. So this is like little adventures through snacks and things that she likes. Zine I got was this 25 Days of Christmas Activities with Holly and Freddie by Jessica Jane. Oh my god, I just love Christmas, and I just thought this was such a great idea, and what a beautiful way to document your Christmas. Do any of you guys do December daily, like where you scrapbook your memories for the whole month of December? This would be a great idea. It was so nice to see a Christmas zine. I was really excited about this one, and I just love little illustrations and doodles. It's just beautiful. So this one's the last zine that I got. It's called Unfinished, Collection of Unfinished Projects. I just love the idea of that, sharing some unfinished projects. So much talent in the zine community. Yeah, so that's my zine haul. And let me know if you like to see any more zine haul videos, because I actually have quite a big collection of zines, so I'll be very happy to share them with you also. I also have my own zines available in my store. They are on a limited print run, but you can find them in my online store, and I'll leave the details below. So thanks guys!